Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make fast, easy and tasty Dharwad Peda, that too with only 3 ingredients. So without wasting time, let us start then. Here I have taken a non-stick kadai to which I am adding 2 teaspoons of ghee. Once the ghee starts melting, we'll add some paneer. Here I have taken 1 full cup of paneer grated, or it is 200 grams of paneer what I have taken. I have taken Nandini paneer. If you want, you can prepare paneer at home and use, that would be even tastier. After giving a quick mix for 2 minutes, I am adding sugar here, 3/4 cup of sugar. Now it is important to stir continuously at medium flame. Sugar starts melting now. You'll have to stir it continuously until it becomes dry and golden brown. It feels so happy when it turns beautiful golden brown. At this stage, be careful you do not burn the preparation. Now it is completely dried. We'll switch off the flame and keep it aside and let it cool down for some time. Now let's take the preparation into a jar and grind it to a fine powder like this. If you want, you can add some milk to it and make it a fine paste. Now let's take 1 teaspoon of ghee in the same kadai and add 3/4 cup of khova or khoya, which is unsweetened. Keep it at medium flame, let it melt. Now we'll add fine powdered paneer preparation. You can add it gradually and simultaneously mix it. Make sure you do it at low flame because at this stage chances of burning the preparation are more. Add the entire content and add some milk to it. Here I have taken 4 tablespoons of milk. I'm adding milk here to make sure all the contents are combined well. After everything combines well, you can increase the flame to medium. Keep stirring it. After 5 to 7 minutes, you can check if it is done. Lower the flame completely. Take a small portion of the preparation, let it cool down, check if it comes out as a ball. This would take 7 to 8 minutes. It's done now. We'll switch off the flame and allow it to cool down. When it comes to a temperature so that you can touch it, take small portion of it and make small ball sized. Roll it in coarsely ground sugar. Our fast, easy, tasty Dharwad Pedas are ready. So friends, give it a try and let me know how it was in the comment section. If you have liked the video, please hit like, do share with your friends and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And then we'll meet with the new tasty recipe. Until then, take care of yourselves. Have a nice day.